Do you want to learn how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity? Woo-hoo! We're from Simply Earth and we are on a mission to make using essential oils easy, and we do that every month with our essential oil recipe box. This is a monthly box where each month has a new theme where we're teaching you how to make your life toxin-free. And this month is our mood detox box.
We're super excited to tell you all about it.
Each recipe box comes with 4 full-size essential oils, 6 aromatherapist created recipes, plus extras to make your recipes.
All right, let's look at the box.
So for our mood detox box, we have our Happy Joy blend, which is an uplifting and energizing blend. Basil, which has a really calming aroma. Geranium, which has a floral aroma that's also calming and uplifting. And our new blend, Lava, which is energizing and exciting and can help bring you joy. Let's dive into the extras which you'll use in this month's recipes. The first one is sea clay. This naturally occurring clay can help draw out toxins and impurities in your skin. Also in this month's box is a small spray bottle for the body spray we're going to be making, and this really pretty prism roll-on. And like every month, you're getting labels, which are now peelable.
Yay.
And 6 recipe cards that you can be confident are safe because they are created, tested, and backed by aromatherapists. So let's show them our favorite recipes.
So mine is the Mermaid Mud Mask. It's super, super nice for skin brightening and it makes my face feel amazing.
And my favorite is the Happy Day body spray because it smells so good and I love making my day happier. For new subscribers, plus people who have been subscribed for 6 boxes, you get a big bonus box which helps you make your recipes. Shyla, show them what's in it.
All right, so for your bonus box, for your first time subscribers, your recipe box is gonna come right inside your bonus box. Open it up, recipe box, bonus box. So what comes in this box? It comes with a beeswax, an almond oil, fractionated coconut oil, solid coconut oil, 6 of the 5 milliliter bottles to make all those master recipes coming your way, and last but not least, 6 10 milliliter roll-ons to make all those roll-on recipes coming your way.
So if you want to learn how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity, subscribe to this recipe box and check out our YouTube channel where we have tons of videos about recipes and how to use essential oils. I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
We're both certified aromatherapists and we love teaching people how to use essential oils with our essential oil recipe box.